Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kendra, and in today's video I am going to be making pizza quesadillas. So yeah, what you'll basically need is some of these flour tortillas, and you can get like the size just like 4 burritos as it says on the pack. Of course you're gonna need some mozzarella cheese, and I'm just going to be using my Go Veggie cheese. Is basically veggie shredded cheese, and it's so good. I actually like it better than real cheese. So yeah, and you're gonna put a little pinch of oregano, like literally a very small pinch, a little bitty pinch of garlic salt, just like for seasoning, you know, to give it like that nice good flavor. We're going to be using some non-stick spray of your choice. So of course, you know, your tortilla does not stick in your non-stick skillet. And this is the pizza sauce that I am going to be using. It is in a nice little squeeze bottle, very easy to use. If you want to make your own homemade, then go right ahead. This is a super quick and easy recipe, and I'm not trying to get all extra and fancy with it. And this is the pepperoni that I am using. I love this brand of turkey pepperoni. I don't really care for pork pepperoni anymore unless I like order like a piece like from a restaurant, but when I buy pepperoni myself, it's always going to be turkey pepperoni from now on, and this is so good. So yeah, if you want to get extra fancy, like I said, you can do, you know, more filling, but I'm just going to have, like I said, some veggie mozzarella, of course a little bit of the sauce, and some turkey pepperoni. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pop one of these inside my skillet. Of course, spray a little bit of your non-stick cooking spray first, and have your stove on medium heat. And I'm going to just top it, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like before I fold it and all the rest of that jazz. So let's get started. Okay guys, so now I'm going to start assembling this. So I'm gonna sprinkle my veggie cheese on there, and this melts really good, just so you guys know. You can put as little or as much as you prefer. And you guys, while I was putting the sauce on the tortilla, I did have my eye on low because I don't want my tortilla to like burn or anything. But yeah, and you're gonna place your pepperonis where you want them. I usually just put about 5. I don't want like a whole bunch, but we're gonna be extra, a little extra today. And we're gonna put that many, and then we're gonna put some more cheese on top. And yeah, you guys, that is how it's going to be. So yeah, once you're done placing your toppings, I'm just gonna go ahead and flip that. And so the eye is not like super hot right now. I did have, like I said, I had it on low while I was putting the sauce on, so it's like just like starting to like really heat up. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and let that get golden brown on one side, then I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like afterwards. So yep, I'll be right back. Look at that. So you guys, it melts really good. Nice and golden brown. I don't want to burn myself trying to get like a good view like the inside, but look at that cheesy goodness. The pepperoni escapes. It's okay. Okay, you guys, so that is complete. I'm gonna take it off and show you guys what it looks like once again. So you guys, this is what it looks like. This is the pizza quesadilla, and all I do is put pepperoni and veggie mozzarella in there, and a little bit of sauce with oregano and garlic, and I put a little bit of pizza sauce also on the side for dipping. So this would be like a good little snack if you got kids, or you are someone who just eat light, and like something mini like this will like literally like fill you up. But like once again, you guys, this is just a little snack, lunch, dinner, depending on kind of person you are, depending on like what you actually like. Yeah, so what actually can like fill you up. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time with another simple recipe that's really affordable. Bye. Look at that yummy goodness.